Every day, I ask myself one question.
How can I keep my family healthy and safe?
With my limited time, doing everything at the same time. Working, cooking, taking care and feeding my kids, and managing the house.
The stress of moving houses is overwhelming. I need a one-stop solution to get my new house cleaned and sanitized to prevent viruses and more allergies.
First things first, water tank cleaning, ensuring clean, safe water for my family's health. Next up, AC cleaning, keeping the air we breathe fresh and healthy. And of course, deep cleaning, because a clean home is a healthy home. The healthy home uses eco-friendly products that improve the indoor air quality.
Finally, I'm in my new home and loving the fresh start, especially after the healthy home services.